Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Learn English. This video is in continuation to the previous one, do, does and did. Today I'll be teaching you how to make negative sentences. First, the forms will change. Do becomes do not or don't in short. Does becomes does not and did becomes did not or didn't. Now let's revise the basic thumb rule that we also discussed in the last video. The rule is same for the negatives as well. So let's begin. First, do not or don't. Do not or don't. It is used with the subjects I, we, you, they or any plural noun. For example, I don't know how to drive or you don't know what you are talking about. They don't scare us anymore. We don't like meat. Now let's move on to doesn't or does not. It is used with the subjects he, she, it or any singular noun. For example, he doesn't work at the call center anymore. She doesn't sing well. It doesn't matter. Sumit does not like cricket. Now let's move on to didn't. You remember the rule, right? For the past form, didn't stays the same for all the subjects, whether it is I, we, you, etc. For example, we didn't know you were coming, or he didn't know you had a sister, or she didn't like it. So these were the examples of doesn't, didn't and don't. Now I want you to remember something. Most of the people use S with the verb form while using doesn't and don't, which is wrong. I'll show you how. For example, let's take a positive statement. He goes to school every day. Now you have to convert it into negative. So what will it be? He does not go to school every day. Not he does not goes to school. We will not use this S with the verb form with the action word. Alright? Now I want you to practice these questions. One has been done for you. You have to convert the positive statements into negative ones. For example, I live in a big house. Subject is I and it is present tense. So we will use do not. Right. So I do not live in a big house. Practice these questions. In the next video, I will teach you how to form questions. Do not forget to press the bell icon if you haven't already so that you are notified when I upload the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.